see the future in the stars. We live for elevation, we live for adrenaline. We feel connected to everything. So stay your claim and ride this wave. It's yours if you want to fly. So walk towards the flame, and this will be the day. Feel the rush of blood flowing from the inside. Everybody your claim and ride this way.
Hello everybody. Tara, Kayak Fest, what to say? I'm from Austria and I'm very happy to be here. It's an amazing place.
I'm Carmen, I'm from Canada. This is not my first time on the Tara River, but it's my first time at Tara Fest, and it is by far the coolest kayaking festival I've been to. It's inclusive, anyone can come and paddle and have a great time. The party is amazing, the food is amazing, and it's just a super great way for people from all over Europe and the world to connect on a beautiful free-flowing river.
It's the most beautiful place on earth. Montenegro, amazing country with amazing rivers, unfortunately not enough. I come here also to help the local guys to promote this beautiful sport of kayaking, to make people discover the beautiful sport, that more and more local people be involved in kayaking, in defending the rivers, to try to keep the natural beauty for the next generation which comes. And definitely I will be always here and always ready to help and to keep that beautiful place for myself, for my selfish point of view, and for the next generations. And the goal will be that every next festival will be more and more local paddlers involved. Of course, the foreign paddlers are welcome, but I think the developing of community of local paddlers is the main goal, to make people discover what you have.
I'm Nuri from Argentina, and this is my first time in the Montenegro Kayak Festival, and for me it was the best time ever. I want to come every year if I can. It's super friendly, there are a lot of good paddlers, and it makes you want to paddle more and enjoy with the kayak community. That is awesome. So I hope they keep on going this, and they did a super great job.